So this video is going to be short and sweet. Literally the title says it. The first line of the description is one of the most important things in ranking for keywords. Whether you're a small channel, whether you're a big channel, you need to fill the first line of the description with as many relevant, keyword relevant keywords within the first line of the description. And of course, you want to make sure the most important keywords regarding the topic of your video are in the first line of the description, in your title, as well as flooded in the tags. You want all your tags to be based around a few keywords. And if there's a keyword that includes a word that isn't super relevant to your video, just avoid it and try leaving it out. But once again, guys, first line of the description, very important. This right here, what you see on the screen right here, is a video that I posted years and years ago on one of my old channels. I get it, it's copyright, I know. It was back in the day when the Packers won the Super Bowl. But what I'm trying to say is like this right here. The first line of the description, very important. This was back in the day when I didn't have any knowledge of SEO, like search engine optimization. So this right here isn't good. I would delete that and obviously fill it with relative keywords like, yeah, okay. I'm not gonna go too deep in that because it just doesn't make sense to talk about that because this video is just off. Anyways, I hope you guys get the idea. The main point is first line of the description, very, very important. Do not neglect it.